We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliza, if you didn't know. Okay, so I'm here, you guys, with a review video slash unboxing video. If you guys know by the title, this is the Chaco sandals review. Y'all haven't seen it because it's not in the thumbnail. Oh, as you guys can see, in my last video, I was complaining about how my teeth was so bad. My stuff started to come off, and because of coronavirus, I couldn't get an appointment at the orthodontist, and I ended up going the next day. And I got green. But anywho, let's get right into this video. So this is how it comes. The thing was like this. So this is how it comes. This is how it looks. When I first opened it, this was on the top, and my shoes was just there. So this is just a guide on how to loosen the shoe, how to tighten it, but that's all. I got all black Chaco sandals with the toe loop. I got the skinny straps. I ordered this off of the Chaco web. So this is how they look. You know what I'm saying? That's about it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my feet. This is how the bottom looks. So I want to talk about sizing really quickly. I'm gonna show y'all my feet. This is how my feet look. Like, my feet isn't like big. So long story short, get the size that you wear in men. Now, if you're a boy or slash man and you're watching this, I would say just get a half size up or get a size up. I'm not really sure how they fit for boys, but I know for me, when I got them, I thought these looked really, really little, but I can fit them. So yeah, this is our 8 in boys. So I got an 8 in Chaco. If you wear like a 7 in boys, get a 7 in Crocs. That's it. Period. I was trying to search up videos on how to figure out what size I needed, and I just wasn't really getting to the point. That's it. Period. Poo. Let me show you what it like on my feet. Okay, so I'm gonna try to teach you guys how to tighten and how to unloosen, but for right now, I'm gonna show y'all how they look. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show y'all how to tighten or how to loosen. So to unloosen, just pull this band right here. Then you're going to pull here, and just pull up, and that'll tighten that. But you don't want that to be tightened. So then you pull that, you pull this, pull that, and then you pull these right here in the middle. Then you go to these, then you go to the toe. Let me twist so y'all can see. Go to the toe, and you pull at the toe, and that's just how I do it. I just pull, and then make sure I pull again, and I just keep pulling until that's how I like it or whatever, and I just slip my feet out. Now, to tighten, I'm gonna show you guys how to tighten it back up. So, what I do, it took me a while, and I'm still really not good at tightening, but I've kind of like figured it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna pull it here. This tightens, like all of these go through the shoe, and it's all like two, it's like one strap, I think, or 2. So you're gonna pull, and when you pull, that tightens these. This right here tightens this. So I'm gonna loosen up to show y'all, and it tightens like right there, you know? Okay, so you see how I just pulled, and that's moving, right? That's super loose. So I'm gonna pull this, and it's getting tighter. And you can pull one by one too if you want. And pull. So now that's tightened. Now to loosen these and these two, just pull here. And you see it's getting tighter by the toe. And then if I just, wait, let me get it. No, what? A video, get out. And then if you just pull here, it'll tighten this. But most of the time, all you're gonna have to do is just pull this and pull this. That's like really it. Like you don't have to pull anything for real. Like you don't have to pull it the toe for real unless you just want to like loosen your toe up a bit. You can always like push your toe up a bit and it'll loosen up. But yeah, that's about it. So now it's back to my liking. So now I'm just going to pull this back. And that's how you do it. So I don't really like how this is like so long. So like when I walk, it'll scrub the ground or something like that. I know some people do like that, but I personally don't. So what I had did, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this back and flip it. I'm going to flip it that way and tuck it underneath the straps. That way you won't be able to see it. It's not noticeable really. And it looks fine. It looks okay. So that's how I do that. Pretty ashy, please don't mind. But yeah. My toes look cute, polished and stuff. But yeah, only thing you can really see is that. But that's fine. Like, don't nobody care about that. Anybody looking at you for real. Okay, so I just showed you guys how the shoe look, how to tighten it, how to loosen it, and how to hide a loose strap. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Go get you guys some chocos. Stay blessed, nevertheless.